Hey guys, it's Andy Stickle, and I have a really cool trick for personal injury attorneys, actually any attorney, but this works really well with personal injury attorneys if you're trying to cherry pick some car accident cases. And basically, you can do this yourself or you can have an assistant do this, and it works really well. So, what you're going to do is you're going to hop on Instagram and you're going to find people that have recently been in car accidents in your area, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Hopping over to my phone here, we're going to go down to Instagram. Now, when you get to Instagram, you're going to get to the home page here, and this has just everyone that you follow if you follow people. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the magnifying glass on the bottom here. And at the top, you're going to see a search box. Now, I've already got this selected here. You can see I hit tags in the middle. There's top, there's people, there's tags, and there's places. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to tags and you're going to enter some different hashtags. Now, one hashtag that I really like is hashtag rear-ended, because these are people that have been rear-ended by other people, and typically you're going to have whiplash injuries and stuff like that. You can also use hashtag car accident and different things like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to hashtag rear-ended, let it load. Now, you've got a couple sections here. First section is you've got top posts. Now, the problem with top posts is that top posts are very popular posts, but they're also kind of old. So if you look at this one's from October 16th, 2017. This one here, let's see, this is a guy in the hospital after getting hashtag rear-ended. This is from 2015. So what we want is the recent ones. So now you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see most recent, and you're going to see 15,393 recent posts with the hashtag rear-ended. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to kind of have to go through these, but if you can find them and you can actually find ones that are worth it for you and then actually are in your area, it's going to work out for you. So you can kind of just click on one of these. And a lot of stuff is not necessarily going to be applicable to you. You can look at this one. This is GM Truckin'. This is obviously somebody that just passed by a car accident. But start going down here. This is page Whoops Shit Happens. I don't think that this is the right one. This looks like somebody took a picture. Okay, here's somebody that might have gotten into an accident. This is Missing My Trunk, Hate Being in Limbo. Okay, looks like they were rear-ended. Now, a lot of times underneath the name, you're going to see the location where the picture was taken. Now, if they don't have an actual location, one hack that you can do is you can pull up the picture and you can look at the license plate. And the license plate on this one says it's Texas, so there's a good chance this person is from Texas. So if you're a personal injury attorney in Texas, what you can do is you can follow this person and then you can go to their page. Actually, what you can do is first you can, looks like they have it blocked off, but you should be able to follow, and then you can click here and you can send them a direct message. Now, obviously the solicitation laws are different, or the solicitation rules are different in every state. So what you actually send them is going to be, dependent on what you're allowed to say. But what you could do is you could say something like, I hope you're okay after your car accident. You say something like, be sure to file a diminished value claim or something. I mean, something useful where you're not necessarily saying, hey, you were in a car accident, call me. But what you can do is you can, provide them some sort of useful information to, let them know. So be sure to not make any statements to any car insurance provide for any car insurance, representatives without first speaking to an attorney. And then you can say, if you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Good luck. And you can send that. And then, you'll get some responses on that and you'll get people out there. But this is a way that you can basically find people who have been in car accidents. Here's another one. Let's see, Toyota Camry rear-ended. This looks like it's a collision shop though. Here's another one, S Freshwater. People use some colorful language. The shitstorm that was 2017 is now bleeding over in 2018. Please make it stop. Blah, blah, blah. No one's hurt. Car accident, car wreck. So I don't know where these guys are, but you might be able to zoom in on that license plate. See if we can see. I don't know what that license plate looks like, but if that's your license plate, you would probably recognize it, meaning if that was your state. Here's another one, California. Sitting at a light in Yanez in Temecula. Dude decides to beat the light. Okay, this was from 3 days ago. Here's one in Italy. That's not going to help you. Here's one in Mexico. Not going to help. This one is a car club. Here's one. At least John was safe and I wasn't in the car. Rear-ended wreck. Our only car. What to do? And they have a Texas license plate, so a Texas personal injury attorney could definitely jump all over that one. Here's another one. So this happened last night. 2017 was going with a bang. Let's see if we can figure out where this is. Got their license plate blocked out, but that looks... I don't know where that is. Might be able to look at their profile and figure it out. Team Elite Fitness, White House, Tennessee. So if you're in Tennessee, you can probably message that person. Here's someone from Washington. I was in a car accident today. Thank God it wasn't worse. So basically, if you just kind of go through Instagram and start looking at these tags, you can start you can people put this stuff up here. You can do hashtag rear-ended. You can do hashtag car wreck. Oops, car accident. And go through here, see what you can find, and then you can also look at related. There's accident, bad drivers, total. Traffic accident 4.0. I don't know what that is, but there's a lot of different posts in here. Here's one right here. Someone got in a car accident there. They are, see, I don't know where this person's from. Might be able to figure it out. See if we can see. I'm not really sure. So sorry, my battery died on my camera there. So yeah, so try that strategy out. Let me know how it works for you. I guarantee you, you'll be probably the only attorney that's messaging these people. It's just a strategy that nobody does. I don't know why, because people are going on social media and letting you know that they were in car accidents. Same thing can go for divorce lawyers or criminal defense lawyers. People will post pictures of their friends getting arrested or getting DUIs, or they'll go on Instagram and they'll vent about their cheating husband or their cheating spouse or something to do with a child custody issue. So if you can get creative with these hashtags and you can figure out where the people are located and send them messages, you can probably get a lot of these clients that are don't even realize they need a lawyer or haven't gotten to the point where they're looking for a lawyer yet. So try it out. Let me know how it goes. Thanks. Hey, so one last thing I just wanted to point out. This person actually just messaged me back. Take a look at this. I just messaged them a few minutes ago. The attorney said there's not much they could do unless there's a personal injury. So basically, you're not going to win every one, but you could see how quickly I was able to find somebody that was in a car accident that at least was thinking about an attorney. That's the power of this whole thing. So if you can take advantage of that, if you can make that work for you, then you can probably get some cases out of this. So let me know how it works for you. Thanks.